All right, good morning. Today is February 11th, 2021. It is Vlog 28, Thursday. Yeah, we're getting towards the middle of the week. Valentine's Day is this weekend. Oh, wow. What do you want to do for Valentine's Day, baby?
Go run a trail.
Is that what's happening? You want me to go run a trail for Valentine's with you? Huh?
It's Sunday.
I know. Do you want me to run a trail with you on
You're gonna have to come run a trail with me.
the things we do for love? Crazy. Yeah, but it is halfway through Valentine's Day. Love is in the air. The birds are chirping. The parrots were chirping the other day while I was singing a song. It was kind of crazy. Got my Javalia coffee. And this is the Pirates of the Pacific 369th Recruiting Squadron. If you guys didn't know, I used to be an Air Force recruiter. Bam. But actually, let's check out some weather today. It's feeling kind of cool. Let's see. Bum, bum, bum. Weather. Where is my cam? 57 with a high of 63. Semi-cloudy. It looks like the sun's out, but it looks like it's being partly cloudy all day. And it looks like we have 40% chance of rain tomorrow. Crazy. The weather's been, yeah, look at that, all the way down to 60s. I wonder when it's going to get up to the 70s again. Normal California weather. I've said this before. Anything below 70 is cold in California, especially in Southern California. All you Californians should agree with me. But yeah, let's see what I did yesterday. Yesterday was Wednesday. I did my vlog. Then I did my 100-day song, which is going up. Oh, my mic just went out. Okay. This thing is just... This mic thing. Uh-oh. This mic thing is tripping me out, but it will be soon. Hopefully soon. I'm going to be getting a new computer and will not have these issues, but I think I'm good. Actually, what I said, we showered, or I showered. We showered. I did my 100-day song, which is Going Up to Country by Canned Heat. Actually, I need to look that up. Canned Heat. Who are they? Let's look today. We're going to the website. I need to find out what was up with this. Let's go to the website, Cam. The website, Cam, and we'll put there in there. Who is Canned Heat? There you go. An American rock band that was formed in Los Angeles in 1965. The group has been noted for interpretations of blues materials and for its efforts to promote interest in the type of music of its original artist. Awesome. And there they are. Check them out. Cool. Google War. We learn something new every day, right? That's who Canned Heat is. Awesome. That's who I played yesterday. That was pretty rad. This 100-day song thing is pretty rad. It's all about the music in your life, and I'll talk about that a little bit. I didn't talk about it yesterday, but I had I don't know, it was cool. This book I've been reading, it's so awesome. I did have a nap for a minute, which was good. It was funny. I was talking to Kaylee the other day too. She was like, I took a nap, and before she hated naps. She didn't like naps. And now she's like, I'm taking a nap. She's working her ass off though. It's good. She's learning the ways of adult life. So crazy. Oh, and I wrote video organization. Love it. Like the worst part of video editing, but it's all good. Gotta get it done. Then I had my Ook social with Hadley, Nikki, and Dean, and it was really good. They're just getting better and better. It's just so fun. Like, again, it's just fun to watch people grow, and you can be there for that. It's pretty awesome. That C scale, I'll do one right now. We did that yesterday. It was so good. But the breathing part, I think I showed it yesterday. Let me do one right now. Wait. Did that feel good? That felt good. It felt good to me. That's so awesome. So we're ready. Yeah, the Ook social is good. It's continuing every Wednesday. I might throw another Saturday. I think I need more. Went this year. I'm gonna start doing more interviews, and I don't think I have enough time for all the people that I want to do interviews for. So maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'll just do a thing every Saturday. We will see. Thought. I'm gonna write that down. Every Saturday, Ook workshop. Question mark. All right, write that down. After that, I did more video work. We had pulled pork for dinner with Hawaiian rolls, pulled pork sliders. Thank you, Carrie. Did I just tell you how beautiful you are? She doesn't like the compliments. And yeah. But that was yesterday. Awesome. You know what we should call? Actually, I want to go over this book. Music Medicine. Wow. It's kind of crazy because I think in the VLX, if I look back, I was talking about like going along in this book. I'm close to getting done. But what was crazy about this, Christine Stevens, Music Medicine, as I was reading it, my goal, or one of the things I want to do this year was to find out and just really study like how sound healing through instruments, especially the handpan and the ukulele. And now reading the book, it's also the voice, because you are an instrument. It's pretty crazy. But as I was going through it, I was just coming up with things, I was trying to come up with a system or like things that you can do on the instrument to meditate or make you feel better. One was that what I just showed you was the C scale going down on the ukulele, and you consciously use your breathing. It makes you feel good. Handpan is the same way. And I was reading the book. I was like, oh yeah, there's like different, like always in like music, I always wondered like what we're gonna teach. Like, what do you teach people? Especially if you don't have music theory or you didn't go to school for music theory. It's kind of weird. But what I found is it's not about the music theory. It's good to learn, obviously. I'm starting to learn more of it now, like the notes and stuff like that. But what I found is like music's already in you, and the thing is you have to get it out. So I was trying to figure out like how do you explain that? It's like kind of crazy. It actually explains it in the book. I was coming up with this thing. I was like, actually, it started with like, okay, you have to find your rhythm, and then which is your heartbeat, and then you have to find your song, which is your melody, and then you had to find then you had to harmonize with people, And what I came up with before I read this last chapter was, okay, your rhythm is your practice. You're trying to find your beat. I don't know if you've ever tried to drum, but it's hard to be like 1-2 steady for a long time. And then to put like, and then to do it. But you have to find your rhythm. That's what that is. And then once you find your rhythm, then you find out like there's melodies and notes, and that's where you learn how to do melodies, and then you discover your song. It's like kind of crazy what your melody is. And then what do you do after that? You harmonize, whether you want to teach, you want to perform, you want to share your music, or you just want to do it for yourself, or you just harmonize with yourself too. And then that's how it works. And then they started talking about the silence, and I go, oh yeah. And then you have to like meditate on top of it. It's like crazy. And I was like, yeah, I figured. But she actually had it written all here. She had the whole system at the end. I was like, oh my god. But it's kind of crazy. I was talking to the group the other day, like how I was reading it. She's really good, Christina Stevens, in explaining it, because I got to what her end result was, and this is it. It's basically, there's 4 principles of inner music. One, first is you are rhythm. When you live in touch with your inner rhythm, every step is embodied beat in the groove of life. So good. There's more to it, but I'll get into that later. It had to do with entrainment. You embody the principle of rhythm entrainment. So crazy. Your life is your song. You will compose unique melodies in your lives. I was just explaining that. That's so crazy. Some of us explore a wide range of notes, venturing out into many new experiences, while others prefer to sing a repeated and similar chant. So everybody has their own song, so you have to help people find that song. It's so crazy. And then your harmony. Your biology is filled with the balance of sleep and rest, the duet of body and spirit, and all the inner workings of health are a concert of connections. Your soul is in harmony. Your relations reverberate in harmony. Fuck. So crazy. And then you rest in silence. Resting the mind, that's number 4. You allow more space for creative expression, free of mental fear and worry. You consciously make space and hold space. Woo! This book is rad. If you guys ever pick this up and you want to learn music, this will give you the roadmap to what you need to do, and to be happy about it. To be like, it's not a struggle. You know what I mean? You're just figuring out your rhythm. What's my song? Share it with people, and then think about it. To be more creative, to make yourself better. Be silent to be better. Woo. It's amazing. We learn something new every day. It's so cool. It's a constant learning thing. I think a lot of us stop after high school or college. We just stop learning. But there's so much more to learn, like I always say. I've just learned enough to know that I don't know anything. Right, Carrie?
What?
Nothing. She wasn't listening. But yeah, that's my soapbox for today. Today, what are we doing today?
I gotta go to Dave's.
You're going today?
Yeah.
For?
Rental return and a rental pickup.
Okay. Yep. I'm going to be continuing to edit videos. I'm going to get steady on that. And then, what else I got today? I'm going to do my song. Actually, I don't even know what song I'm going to do today. We shall see. Might be a turn of the book. Pop it out. I might do that. Actually, that might be fun. Here, we're going to do this one. Oh, that's going to be fun. What is it? Thursday. Oh, yeah. Well, I'll figure it out. And then, yeah, it's an editing day. You have anything for me to do today? More computer stuff. Website.
Yeah, website.
Yeah, we got some work to do. But, yeah. I think that's all I have for today. What's today? February 11th. Actually, let me call a family member. See if I can get Chrissy on. Let's see. Chrissy. Oh, she's not working right now. Chrissy is... Man, we're almost alike, me and Chrissy. My sister. No. 2017, is this the one? Let's see if this is the one. Hopefully I have the right phone number. I have all these different phone numbers. Let me check first. I don't even know if that was the right one. Chrissy. I don't know. Let's try it again. Is it ringing? Oh. That took forever to ring. That was crazy.
Please leave your message for 42.
Not there. I wonder if that was the right number. Let me see. How do I not have the right number? I think that was right. Oh, that was right. She didn't answer. She's not answering. Maybe she knows. But I guess we'll try to get her on another time. But yeah, I think that's all I have for today. It's February 11th, 2021. It is vlog 28, almost getting to the 30s. So actually tomorrow, so I'll be in the 30s next week. So I'm excited. This is a very interesting adventure journey that I'm going on, and I'm having a good time learning about myself. Pretty crazy. So with that, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. Bam.